What's up guys? So let's start today's tutorial. I have already uploaded, as you see, I upload every day a tutorial on YouTube as well now. So all the tutorials that I do here are actually saved on YouTube because I got so many requests to save it either on highlights or on IGTV. Now IGTV gives just 10 minutes of video and mine goes for around 20 minutes if I have seen, 25 minutes, depends. And otherwise, and in highlights, even Instagram has limit to the highlights. What I have done right now is the maximum. I can't add single one slide also. What I was using a Smashbox photo finish lid primer in white, and this is how it gave. But now I want more of the white primer, so I'm using this NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in white, and I'm just gonna dab it because we are doing yellow eyes, babe, because I want to use a glitter. So now I'm taking this Huda Beauty Neon palette and in orange, and I'm taking this yellow shade on the Beauty RB3 brush. You guys know it, that is a must. And I'm gonna apply it on the outer corners and the crease line, and I'm just gonna dab because dabbing will give that pigment we want. I'm gonna take this peach shade, and I'm just gonna dab it on the crease line where the yellow is ending. I'm just gonna dab it because we're just dabbing, we're gonna blend it later. We just want that color to fit in there. I'm gonna take the Beauty RB2 brush, and it's little stained. I'm gonna now just blend this yellow, this peach with the yellow and the raw bone, just with very small circular motions, so it kind of blends and diffuses just like this. My god, oh my god. All right, so I am using these, which I showed on my Snapchat. I did the unboxing of let me just show you, of TS Cosmetics limited edition festive collection, and I just love it. It's so easy to apply it, and I love the compilation of small glitters, bigger glitters, medium glitters, and this is the one. I really don't know how would you actually tell that you want this particular shade, because I think since it comes it's in the collection, so you can easily find out this bright neon orange shade. So let's just apply it, let's not waste time. I've already taken this is a self-adhesive glitter. So first I'm gonna focus, look at that, and you get discount, guys. If you're gonna buy anything on cosmeticsbyts.com, you can use my code Deepti Gaba 5 and you get 5% off. So it's totally your choice, you want to use that code or not. So I'm just gonna focus it here, and I'm gonna take a particular bigger glitters as well, so that it just sticks here. Oh man, Tabassum and Tuba, how you guys do it, amazing. So I'm gonna just do this, and whatever is left on my finger, I'm gonna extend it little further and then towards my the brow bone, so that we don't need to apply a highlighter there, and it's gonna be pretty glittery, and it's kind of weighed out, if that is a word. So now I'm gonna take this Suva Hydro Liner in Grease Matte, and I'm gonna activate it with water, just little bit of spray, and I'm gonna take this angular brush and just draw a liner, not so thick, because I want the lashes, the eyeshadow to actually take all the credit of the look. So I'm gonna draw a thin one. my lashes are getting ready, and I'm using Inglot Under Makeup Base, and I'm gonna take it on the finger first, and okay, I'm now today using a brush, so let me just dab it here. This completely mattifies the face, and just dab, 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 dab. I'm taking a flat brush and just focusing here where the center of the face where we need a maximum matteness. So just a bit of color correction we need, so I'm just gonna put just a bit here. Like, I won't put a lot because I'll be putting something else. So now I need to just blend this, so let me just blend it with mini blender just here to cut the shadows. So the foundation I'm using is by Wet n Wild Foundation Photo Focus Foundation in shade Golden Beige, and I'm gonna, like, I sometimes really like this kind of applicator because you can just apply it directly. But if you are a makeup artist or the foundation is being shared by one or more, like 2 or more, so obviously it's not hygienic. So I'm just gonna do it here. Taking a Zoeva 102 Silk Finish brush, and why do I feel something happened to my voice? It became like robot-like. So I'm just gonna stipple again. I earlier also explained, and I get a lot of questions regarding the way to apply the foundation is basically stippling gives you the best coverage, and so stippling is like keep dabbing. So this is kind of stippling, and the brushes we use is this kind or the kabuki style, like 1 second, like this one is by Sigma F80 flat kabuki. So any brush like this, you do the stippling with it. This foundation is a little drying, so obviously I would need the Beauty Velvety blender to balance it out. So this is a damp one, and I'll start dabbing it so that it adds a little moisture to it and kind of like sits and, like, you know, blends properly to the skin. So I'm gonna just dab again as usual, but you should not dab it very hard because then it just soaks off the product and it doesn't blend it well. So it's a makeup sponge property what it does, so just do it very lightly. But if you want a very natural look, then you can dab, you know, hard, not very hard. So now for my under eyes, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in natural beige. Yeah, natural beige. And guys, I don't know, someone was asking me from where should I get Too Faced. Normally you get Too Faced in Sephora, otherwise, but in India you get it in Nykaa, so you can order there. So you do have this. I'll show you the foundation also of this. Is very nice. Okay, anyway, where is my concealer brush? Oh my god. Okay, no, this is not. I'll get back. I use blender so much that it's always like doesn't know. All right, so I'm using a Zoeva 110. The print has gone. 110 face shape brush, and I'm gonna just dab this. Like, if you are a brush person and you want to use concealer, this is like by far the best concealer brush I have ever seen. And how do you get it in India? Online in the sense, order the company website. Zoeva is not at Nykaa also, but I love Zoeva brushes. You see like how much I use Zoeva. Right, so the lashes I'm using is by Baby Doll 3D Silk Lashes, and it's in the style 730. These are like very long lashes. So now I'm gonna Now I'm gonna use a My Glam Pose HD highlighter, but before highlighter now setting powder, but before applying this, I'm gonna use Deepti Velvety Blender to just set this, like, you know, just blend it. And now I'm gonna take this powder puff, and now what's happening? All right, so now I can just set it. Now this will help me not to have like so much of creases and lines. So I'm using a MAC bronzing powder in bronze, and whatever is left, I'm gonna take Deepti RB4 brush and just bronze the face. Just the regular way. So using MAC blush in Peach Cane and applying it with Deepti RB4 brush. And you see, like, I'm not leaving this tilt, like the slant, not the tilt, the slant over here. Like, I want this diagonal thing, which will help my, like, you know, my face to look a little lifted. So that's what we want. I always like to just like, you know, little bit put it here, the blush. I don't take extra, but I always like to do it because, you know, this would really balance the face. So now I'm using Sugar Cosmetics highlighter in Metal Meadow, and this is this kind of beautiful golden with slightly a little bit of a rose gold effect highlighter, but majorly that golden. And I'm gonna apply it like very little just here. You can see how gorgeous it is. I'm in love with this, love it. Look at that, so pretty. So now we come to the lower lash line. Now this brush, I haven't taken any product which already it was there. I'm gonna just apply whatever is left over it on my lower lash line by just dabbing, because we don't want a lot of product here, but it still has a lot of residue which fulfills the purpose. So quickly, I'm gonna use the same shade which we used at the crease, this diffusion, and taking the same Deepti RB3 brush. And okay, why did I keep this away? Why am I holding this? Okay, no, okay, I'll just dab it. This is gonna help it just like, you know, sit nicely, because the shades are such that we need a pigmentation, so that is the best way to apply it. So using ColourPop cream gel liner in shade Punch, I'm gonna do it on my waterline. So now I'm using this Urban Decay Perversion Bigger Blacker Badder mascara. Alright, so this is basically the black mascara, and I'm gonna take the extra product from here because I don't want a lot of product visible on my lower lashes. So just look at that. I love this mascara. This is so good, and this, I'm gonna help it to just stick my original lashes to the falsies. So now I'm using a lip liner by K Beauty, and the shade is Unleash. Yeah, is it Unleash? Yes. So the lipstick I'm using is by Nindi Kaur in shade Beloved. This lip liner fits so well with this liquid lipstick.